Hi, I'm Leanne Jones. I am the nurse practitioner here at the Florida Department of Health in Jackson County. Together, my team and I would like to highlight some of the medical services that we offer to our community. We strive daily to provide quality care to the people of Jackson County. When you visit the Florida Department of Health in Jackson County, feel assured that you are seeing a trusted medical professional in a confidential environment. We provide a wide variety of clinical services, including family planning services, HIV treatment, STD testing and treatment, preventative medication for HIV, and of course, information on the choices available to you. We offer breast and cervical screenings and referrals, pregnancy support and counseling, school physicals, immunizations, and more. We are located at 4979 Healthy Way in Marietta, Florida. Call us today to schedule your appointment.